Hello everyone and welcome once again to Aviation A to Z. Boeing Company Indian division is recruiting for various positions. Out of that we are going to see 3 important positions. So to know in detail about it and to apply for it, watch this video till end. So let us get started. Boeing is world's largest aerospace company and leading manufacturer of aeroplanes, space and security systems. They have team of engineers and technicians, skilled scientists and thinkers, bold innovators and dreamers. They want you to join them to build something better for yourself, for their customers and for the world. So they are hiring for hundreds of positions, but here we will discuss only 3 positions relevant to maintenance and technical activity. So let us quickly see it. The first job posting is Support Equipment Technician. This position is in support of Field Operation Team operating at HIND Air Force Ghaziabad. The Field Operation Team supports C-17 Globemaster aircraft of Indian Air Force. It has an immediate opening, so watch this video till end to apply for these positions. Now let us quickly see the requirements. Candidate must have knowledge and deep understanding of working of various support equipments. The person must have working knowledge of maintaining and troubleshooting of various support equipments like GPU, ground AC unit, ground hydraulic cards, nitrogen charging cards, self-propelled aerial lift, etc. Familiarization of various test equipment used on aircraft during maintenance. And there are dozens of requirements mentioned in official job posting by Boeing. Now to know about responsibility, check out our blog post on it at our website a2zblog.in. Link is in description of this video. Now let us quickly see all the qualification and experience requirements. A person who has diploma, ITI in electrical, automobile or mechanical or AME background or BTech or BE in any stream of engineering can apply for this position. A candidate must have 5 to 10 years of hands-on experience in maintaining aerospace ground equipment, preferably at airport or airline or other such establishments. He/she must possess valid light motor vehicle license and heavy motor license is desirable. Also, working knowledge of computer is essential. Demonstrated experience and capability to diagnose the defects through schematic and electrical diagrams and technical manuals. Remember, employment will be subject to candidates' ability to obtain a security clearance from Indian security agencies and Indian Air Force. Apart from that, this position offers relocation based on candidates' eligibility. At the end of this video, we will tell you how you can apply for all such positions. Another position is for Calibration Engineer. The location is Bengaluru, the IT capital of India. Now let us quickly see the responsibilities. You must be able to plan, check, set up and operate basic and complex measurement and test equipment (MNTE) calibration independently. Use calibration standard, dimensional, electrical, thermal and optical to calibrate, adjust, certify, maintain and repair equipment using approved calibration procedures and etc. Also remember, employer will not sponsor applicant for employment visa status, that is they want to hire local, that is Indian national. Now let us see basic qualification, which includes experience and skill requirement. You can pause the video to read all the requirement. It's my request that please go through it thoroughly to know your eligibility. Now education and experience requirement. A bachelor's degree and typically 5 or more years of experience. For complete details, check out our post on it only at our website a2zblog.in. Now finally let us see third position, which is of Associate Technical Writer. Let us see some of the responsibilities. You must create original product documentation for airport and airspace modeling product. Use health generation program to create inline health within reference manual. Remember this thing. Collaboration with product owner, development team and training team for all documentation related work. Review product backlog and release cycle to determine features updates with documentation impact. Employer will not sponsor application for employment visa status. Let us see basic qualification. You must have more than 5 years of experience in technical writing, 5+ years of experience with Adobe FrameMaker, WebWork, ePublisher Designer, and proficient in Atlassian Jira Confluence. You must possess bachelor's and typically 5 to 8 years of work experience and master degree plus 4 years of experience will be equivalent to earlier mentioned degree. Now to apply for such position, you need to follow us on LinkedIn and check out our exclusive post at the same platform. If you are not on LinkedIn, then no problem. You can check out all the posts at our website and apply immediately. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are eligible, then please share it and subscribe to our channel to receive such quick job updates. Finally, thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care of everyone around you. It's a difficult time and we must fight it bravely. Take care. God bless you all.